Now 8th standard students, let us start exercise 9.1. You can see in the first questions expressions are given and we have to find the terms and coefficients. So I am solving for first sub question of question number 1. First expression is 5x is y square minus 3zy. So you can coefficients, so we are talking about only numerical coefficients here. Only the numerical coefficients here, not variable. So terms, how we divide the terms with addition and negative sign. So you can see here first term and second term here 5xy square and minus 3zy, two terms in this expression. So binomial is this, and coefficients are numerical coefficients are here 5 and minus 3. I forgot to write here minus 3, but you will write here minus 3. Okay, and in the sixth sub question 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. so terms are trinomial is this, and terms are 0.3a minus 0.6ab and 0.5b. Coefficients are 0.3 minus 0.6 and 0.5. Okay, so same way you can calculate or you can find the terms and coefficients of other expressions. Now in the second questions we have to find the monomials. So many expressions are given and from them we have to find monomials, binomials, trinomials, and those who are not fit in the category of trinomials still. So more than 3 terms we will collect this type of in category of polynomials. So you can see first is binomial x plus y, and second expression is monomial, only one term, because 1000 into 1 we can write, and 1000 into 1, that means any variable if it is having exponent 0, so we can write the value will be 1. So x to the power 0 we can write. So 1000 x to the power 0, that means monomials, one term. Now third one is polynomials, because more than 3 terms. You can see x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, and then fourth expression will be trinomial. So in this way you can write here. Okay, rest of the from the expressions you will find monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Coefficients, that means numerical value, also you will calculate in monomials. Okay, in third question we have to add the polynomials. So first sub question of question number 3, you can see binomials are there, AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. So first addition sign we will put, you can see here. Now we will open the bracket. So AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Now AB, collect like terms. So like terms of AB is minus AB, minus BC plus BC already there, minus CA plus CA. Now cancel AB minus AB, minus BC plus BC, minus CA plus CA, or you can say BC minus BC plus CA minus CA. So answer will be 0. Same way I am solving for you fourth question of question number 3. L square m square plus m square plus n square plus n square plus L square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Now see here, open the bracket, L square plus m square plus m square plus n square plus n square plus L square. Now collect like terms. Okay, so L square, like terms of L square is here, m square plus m square, n square plus n square, and rest of the terms as it is. Now L square plus L square, coefficients here nothing is written, so we will assume 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nn. Now in every term, you can see from every term 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 common. So we will take out 2 outside from the bracket. In the bracket, the left value will be L square plus M square plus N square plus Lm plus Mn plus Nn, and it is the answer. Now I am solving for you sub question C of question number 4, subtract. So subtract, see here 4p square q minus 3p q plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. That means we have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So we will write second one polynomial first. So in the bracket you will write 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5pq p square q, and close the bracket, and then minus sign you will put before first polynomial. So 4p square minus 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Now when we open the bracket, so what will be happen? Positive terms will take negative sign and negative term will take positive sign opposite. In the addition, addition simple way we write, but in the subtraction, suppose 4 before 4 no sign is there, that means it is positive term. So before 4 we will put negative sign, and minus minus plus, minus plus minus. In this way also you can consider. So what will be happen? 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q we will write as it is. Then after that we will write minus 4p square q plus 3pq minus 5p q square plus 8p minus 7q plus 10. You can see here. You can see minus 4p square q plus 3pq minus 5pq square plus 8p minus 7q plus 10. Now we will collect like terms. So constant value here. First the constant value is written constant. So numerical value also is there. So 18 plus 10. Then minus 3p. So plus 8p. Minus 11q minus 7q. Plus 5pq plus 3pq minus 2pq square. So minus 5pq square plus 5p square q minus 4p square q. So how many terms are there? You can calculate कि कोई टर्म हमारी छूटी तो नहीं है. Any term is should not be left. So 18 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. Now 18 plus 10, 28. You can see minus 3p plus 8p negative according to the integers rule. So plus 5p because the greater number is having positive sign. Now minus minus, two negative numbers always we add. So minus 18q plus 5pq plus 3pq 8pq. Now minus 2 minus 5 minus 7p q square. Now 5 minus 4 1, and we never write 1 as a coefficient. So we will write only p square q. You can arrange this polynomial in the standard way also, just opposite. P square q plus p square q minus 7p q square plus 8pq minus 18q plus 5, P plus 28. In this way also you can write. Rest of the two sums you will solve. So here 9.1 is completed. You will complete in your CW notebook this. And for this, a simple lining notebook, a lining page notebook you will make. Complete your work.